Hey everyone, and welcome back to another vlog. So it's the afternoon, it's quite late into the afternoon, but that's fucking weird. Okay, so the weirdest thing just happened. You probably will have just seen, but some boy just walked past my window and then saw me filming and like stopped at my window and just stared in. I felt pretty violated, not gonna lie. So what I was saying is that it's pretty late into the afternoon. Right, I'm actually like scared because that boy's just come back to my window and it's really scaring me. And now I'm going to meet Jodie. We're going to the mailbox for like a drink. I might get something to eat out there as well, and then me, Megan and Hattie later are going to be baking cookies and having a girls' night in. Or we're thinking about filming a few videos, so that'll be exciting because I think we wanted to do like a drunk, tipsy life advice video, and then also one of us reacting to like debate videos because we get so into it because we're very opinionated gals. I'm gonna get ready and meet Jodie. So I've met up with Jodie. Hi. And we just had some food in the mailbox. It was really nice. We had a catch up, informed you of all the goss that's been going on.
It's very interesting, guys.
Yeah, you should definitely stay around if you want to know all the stuff that's going on.
Definitely.
But yeah, we just thought we'd come out, have a little bit of a walk because the football has been bumped up.
And it's so loud.
So loud, we couldn't even like hear anything, so we're just gonna have a walk through town. Ignore my dotty appearance, but just met Megan and we went to Spa and just bought some goods for tonight. So we've decided to have a piss up. Yeah, piss up. No, we decided to drink at the flat tonight and film like a few videos, have a bit of a chilled drink in the flat. Megan looks so good, but I just look like a dog, so I might have a shower because my hair's grim. I'm gonna have a fun night in. I think we're gonna.
Then we can drink what we're doing and we'll be a bit tipsy by the time we film.
Yeah, and then also we're baking cookies. While drunk, which will be fun. That'll probably be in this vlog, and then we're going to film like a drunk life advice video as well as reacting to debate videos as well for my main channel, which will be jokes. Right, so we're back in the flat. I've just had a shower to freshen myself up. That's why my hair's really wet and I've done my makeup. We're just in really chilled attire. So I've got like my white asymmetric hem joggers from Misguided and then just a yellow jumper from Primark. We've got, what have we got here? I think Hat's drinking gin and tonic. We've decided to just have a chilled girls' night in, have a bit of a drink. We're gonna bake some cookies whilst we're drinking. I think that'll be really fun. So we've got Hat's drinking gin and tonic water. Oh, she's almost finished that. Wonderful. Obviously she hasn't had the whole one, otherwise she'd probably die. And then me and Megan have a bottle of Echo Full Summer Berries each, and then we've decided to give this a go because we saw Chintzia said that this we watched Sophia and Chintzia's vlog and they said this tasted like juice. So me and Megan are going to give this a go, and we've got some diet lemonade from Spa because we're classy. That's what we're drinking today. We'll get copyright though.
Oh, fuck. That's the kind of fun you. They're like. Oh, the surprise parcel is not really a surprise, it tells you what it is.
I wasn't posing for that, I was jokes how you guys got in. We're gonna bake these cookies. They're Betty Crocker. It's always the best mixtures, to be fair. You're listening to Little Moo. Oh god, on student night. Right. It makes 8 cookies. Oh, cookie cutter. Here's a cookie cutter. The rest are all like Christmas related. The chocolate chips in here. Oh, it smells so good.
Inhale it.
Sniff it. Sniff some.
Oh,
Snort some. Water.
I'll just use this.
Just use that. Yeah, just use that.
What? We have to go around the fucking thing.
Kitchen Island's so fucking big.
Yeah, it actually is.
2. Right. I don't think that is enough water, but go for it.
Yeah, we need measuring spoons.
2 more.
Who
That
needs
should do.
You have to beat that out.
Yeah, Hat. You can't drink if you're pregnant.
She's got the strongest gin ever.
Yeah, I didn't really speak to you earlier. You know when your mum was on the phone, so then people walked past the window.
I saw them walk past and walk back again, and I saw them laughing. I was like, I bet that's them. So what happened?
How weird.
So
Because the first time I didn't know if he was with a boy or a girl. Like,
yeah,
I just saw him with someone
I just
else.
knew he was in sport clothes.
Scared me. And no, I don't want to go to my room again.
This is done.
Yeah, so carry on with your story.
No, it's done. Actually, it's done.
That is good. That's a good texture for a cookie hat.
No.
Hat, you can't have any cookies.
Let's see.
Oh god.
You like this cookie? Oh, well, this cookie's junk. I like a cookie.
Insert how many
Okay.
here.
Just a touch of your love is
There's the rest of your there.
Oh, we haven't used it. Just a touch of your We use a baking tray instead of work surface, so you have to clean it. Now we find something to use as a rolling pin. Cupboard, just a plain one.
Did you see this?
Yeah, money.
Oh god.
Because that's how you
That's
get
more
all
on
that.
Hope. No, it's not.
Oh, I don't know who that is.
Yeah, it's from she's from Towie. Oh my giddy aunt.
She's a different person.
And probably a boob job.
Definitely a boob job.
Definitely a boob job.
I'll ruin your water bottle with that.
Oh, there's that car that we threw in there at Christmas. From the crackers.
I don't know.
Just put it back in.
Yeah.
A big cookie like that.
Yeah. Like a big Millie's cookie. Yeah, and then we can just like bite bits off.
Yeah.
They could be tired.
You need to drink
Really?
past the tiredness.
Right, this is pissing me off. Oh god, it's sticky. It's really sticky.
It's not recorded. Jokes.
Oh, you little hat.
YouTube jokes.
YouTube band with my
YouTuber
friends.
things.
Right.
If you could meet one YouTuber, who would you meet?
Joke Sug.
Well, actually, no, it's happening. Wait. Joy Stark.
Byron.
Instead, people think you're joking.
No. I love Joe Sug.
YouTube would actually suit.
You would though.
Yeah, she would. But I can.
Because he's my height.
I'd be Zoella's sister.
He's 5'8.5".
Someone set hat
Actually, I think he's 5. Yeah, he's 5'8.5".
So yeah, someone set
Look.
hat and Joe Sugg up.
Yes, please.
If anyone can get any links, connections,
Anyone know
She's
Zoella?
21, he's like 26. No, I think he's 24.
yeah, he'll be.
No, actually, he's 26.
He's old. He's old. Yeah, he's older than Alfie.
He'd be like,
What this conversation, man?
so he's like,
We're gonna have a big cookie and just bite bits off.
so he's.
That's my brother's age.
He does, Nicholas, that's family.
It's not an age. It's just
Okay,
a
who
number.
would you meet up with?
I'd rather have someone older than me.
If I could meet up with a YouTuber,
Byron, actually. Oh, no,
wait, male or female, or like one of each, or
Yeah, male.
just overall?
no.
Male, Carmisolito.
Because then you meet the whole gang. What's a load of monkeys called?
A troop.
Yeah.
Trooper.
Or-
Right, who would you meet?
I don't actually know.
Really? Like the obvious one.
That's two obvious
The one
ones.
he's been in love with.
What, Jake?
Yeah, but then I thought you'd say
You-
maybe Elmo.
Yeah, those are the two I was thinking then.
Yeah.
Also Byron.
Lovely.
Like Jacob, I.
How old is Spencer?
Well, he's
18.
18, so
Okay. It's okay to keep that in.
my age.
Oh no.
How weird is that?
I bet we're all gonna have incest dreams right now.
Sorry. But yeah, I was
Just
really...
keep it a bit, we're all gonna have incest dreams after that.
How long?
15 to 20 minutes.
Oh, hey, you saw my phone. Yeah, we've got this question.
Wait, pale pit. Look at my pale pit. Nipples.
Thanks for all the cues.
Yeah, we're gonna invite them all around.
Hat vlogging.
We're gonna invite them all to our house, huh?
Hey, you're gonna start a YouTube channel. Everyone keeps wanting you guys to start YouTube channels.
We'll just
I
take
ain't
over
got
yours
time.
at least.
I spend too much time sleeping.
I'm in every corner.
And Nat spends too much time sitting in the dark.
You do actually.
It's because I can't nap.
So when she says she's having a nap, she's just sat in the dark.
Yeah, I do that.
And
But now,
sometimes I'll knock and I'll open the door and there'll be no light on and she'll be just in bed, like in the dark.
no, so I'm always watching something. I'm watching the
No, sometimes you are just in the darkness, right?
No,
Yeah.
no, I'm always
Oh, really?
watching
And maybe
something.
I'm like so shocked that I don't
Maybe you
remember.
don't hear it. But now I don't even say I'm having that now. I'm just gonna go lay down in the
Yeah,
dark
in the
for a minute
dark.
and watch Vampire Diaries.
I put my phone
Got some
on
good keys.
Oh, I look really orange. Am I really orange in real life? Great. Thanks, guys.
We just ignored her. No, you're not orange in real life. Sometimes the camera does rookie things. Booky things.
Oh, I don't like that.
Look at that.
Look in my eyes. Searching is so wrong.
Look at the difference between.
Oh, Kim the Sweeted.
Oh, golly god.
That's two different photos. That's from England, that's from Africa.
Kanye will never run in the race of popular opinion, and we know that, and that's why I love him and respect him. And in a few years, when someone else says the exact same thing, but they aren't labelled the way he is, yeah, and you will all praise them. Kanye is years ahead of his time. No, he's not. He's just a fucking idiot. Media trying to demonise my husband. Let me just say this: your commentary on Kanye being erratic and his tweets being disturbing is actually scary. So quick to label him as having mental health issues for just being himself. What he was being expressive is not fair.
I think this guy stole my dog.
Are they?
I saw that one, but to be fair, his tweets are quite erratic because they came out of nowhere.
Stepping into the future and hold on to.
Yeah, but if they're holding on to High School Musical, are they aware that they're in a DVD?
No, that's just them saying goodbye
To the musical?
to us.
Oh god.
Yeah, so they're aware that they're in a musical.
At this point,
That's
they
called
are.
something. That's like a term.
Graduation day is when they get the party started. We're running.
What's that?
I realise what it is and it's really funny. It's part of the Morrison's worker on the gingerbread cookie.
Are you sure that's poo part of not in the car?
Yeah.
Please, listen.
Oh god,
It's blowing up! Yeah, you went to talk!
Yeah, you gotta say it again.
Sorry, what? Here's one we made earlier.
This is one.
And then I come up.
Oh,
Okay.
here's one we made earlier. Is it good?
I'm gonna leave the one before where I failed to speak.
When I read that tweet, I was thinking of when Zac Efron slides in.
Ow! Baby, this is the greatest show.
Ow, man! This is so flowery. Alvin!
It's like that. Maybe I accidentally did. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm like, what's going on?
Maybe just in my ear.
That's raw.
You could eat more
Oh,
cookie dough.
that's flour.
I know.
Wait.
Can we do keep that?
Wait, no, it's Italian hot chocolate. She's been like really providing us with like a lot of stuff.
Shout out to Nora Greaves for the cookie kit.
Thanks, Laura Greaves.
You're not watching.
Cheese.
Yeah, she is. She's got a new huddle. She might have YouTube on it.
Wait, is this a raw bit that you left over?
No, I cut that
No,
off.
it's like a hard
Okay,
bit.
put that.
A raw bit.
I wrote down.
Is that yesterday?
How you not having any?
Yeah, a bit.
This is one we made earlier.
So yeah, today it turned out quite different.
So shout out to Nora Greaves again.
Yeah, she's like the plug.
Your grandma sponsored us.
What's she getting out of it?
Wait, did you tell Megan about the £300?
Yeah.
Dip it in the flour.
But in wine. I need to do
For anyone wondering what we're talking about.
I haven't had one up here in ages.
The current situation.
I'm in my slippers.
Hee
Teehee.
Oh, hello, vlog. I'm going on Instagram Live.
I hate this because everyone just hates me on mine.
No, they don't. Because everyone joins yours. Like, I just went like that and then snapped my ankle up.
Do it again, what do you do?
I just snapped my ankle up.
Us is still flashing. Where are we going?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
What? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Shit! Don't drink wine, kids.
Yeah.
I don't have any socks.
What'd you do?
Have you told the vlog about your bank situation?
Someone's stolen £1.50 from me and I don't know how.
Oh.
We're going
Out of my
to.
account, and obviously I haven't spent that much money.
Is my hair
So-
look mental?
No, I like it like that. It's curly, I like it. Anyway, carry on.
In the morning, we're gonna go to the bank and sort this problem out.
And then get some mules.
And then get some mules from Primark.
But first, McDonald's.
We should
But
try.
first, wait, but first.
But first, McDonald's.
We should try and get up really early.
Okay, okay. Yeah, we'll try. We'll try and get up really early. That sounds like a good idea. This is my door. Everyone's already stolen your money.
Have you got your key on you?
Yeah.
It's a full moon.
Oh my god. To-woo. Oh. Hoo hoo. Ow. Ow. Like Disney characters.
So that we blend in from those people. We look fucking mental. We're actually mental.
Just see cargo in the background.
Wait.
So I forgot to end the vlog last night because we just crashed, and I think I'm going to keep this. No, actually I'm not going to keep this as a 2-day. I am going to end the vlog here, but before I go, something very exciting has just happened on my Instagram account. I am giving away £250 worth of benefit products. Make sure you go and like this photo here on my Instagram. My Instagram is Scarlet Slippers Blog. Yeah, make sure you go like that photo and follow Benefit, because they're the only 2 things you have to do. I've said you can tag your friends, get everyone involved. I'm really happy that I'm able to like host this giveaway with Benefit, so thank you very much to Benefit if you're watching for allowing me to do this giveaway. And yeah, thank you for watching yesterday's vlog. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you for a new vlog very soon. Bye!